We continue exercise 6.3. Question number 11. It is given that each point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. There is isosceles triangle ABC. We have isosceles triangle ABC at each point on side CB produced. E is a point on side CB produced and ABC is an isosceles triangle. If AD is perpendicular to BC, if AD is perpendicular to BC, and EF is perpendicular to AC. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. So we have given triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC is isosceles in which AB equals to AC. Side AB equals to AC. AD and EF are perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. That proves that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle AECF. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. So in triangle ABC, this is isosceles triangle we have given. It means side AB is equals to side AC and angle B is equals to angle C. Side AB equals to side AC because triangle ABC is isosceles and angle B equals to angle C. Base angles are equal. Now in triangle ABD, and triangle ECF, in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. So in triangle ABD, angle B, and in triangle ECF, angle C are equal. So angle B equals to angle C. In triangle ABD, angle B. And in triangle ECF, angle C. So angle ABD, we can also write in the way angle ABD is equals to angle ECF. Angle ECF, because AB equals to AC. And in triangle ABD, angle ADB, angle ADB is equals to angle EFC. Each 90 degree. So in these two triangles, in triangle ABD and ECF, angle ABD means angle B is equals to angle ECF, angle C. And angle ADB, if this is 90, then this will also be 90 degree. Angle ADB is equals to angle EFC, 90 degree. So by AA criterion, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity criterion. And this we have to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity criterion. Question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AB of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median. There are two triangles ABC and PQR. Triangle ABC and PQR. There are two triangles, triangle ABC and PQR. So given triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which AD and PL are the medians. AD and PL are the medians. AD is the median of triangle ABC. AD and PL are the medians. AD is the median of triangle ABC and PF is the median of triangle PQR. We have given two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, AD is the median. In triangle PQR, PM is the median. And median divides opposite sides in two equal parts. If AD is the median, it means BD equals to CD, and if PM is the median, it means QM equals to RM. So given two triangles ABC and triangle PQR, in which AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians. To show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC, sides AB and BC and medians of a triangle are proportional. ABC and PQ are triangle in which AD and PM are medians such that side AB and PQ, sides AB, BC and median of a triangle are proportional to AB, BC and median of triangle ABC are proportional to sides PQ, QR and medians of triangle PQR. It means AB upon, we have given that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. BC upon QR is equals to AD upon PM. So we have given two triangles ABC and PQR in which AD and PM are medians, and side AB, BC and median of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, QR and median PM of another triangle. Means AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. This we have given. These sides are proportional. So given triangle ABC and triangle PQR in which AD is the median and PM is the median. AD is the median of triangle ABC, PM is the median of triangle PQR, and it is also given that the side AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. And to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So proof, we have given AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PA. AD upon PF. So AB upon PQ as it is, and multiply BC and QR by half. By same quantity we can multiply in numerator and denominator. So half of BC upon half of QR equals to AD upon PA. So AB upon PQ equals to half of BC. Half of BC is written as BD and half of QR. Half of QR is written as QL. So BD upon QL equals to AD upon PA. So now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, sides are in proportion, means AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PA. AD upon PA. So in these triangles, in triangle ABD and PQM, all the sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ equals to BD upon QM equals to AD upon PA. So in these two triangles, their sides are proportional. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. And if triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, then their corresponding angles be equal. So since triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, just we have proved. Therefore, angle ABD is equals to angle PQM. Angle ABD is equals to angle PQM because triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, and angle ABD can also be written as angle ABC. Angle ABD is also written as angle ABD is written as angle ABC, and angle PQM is written as angle PQR. PQM is written as angle PQR. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have given that AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. Equals to BC upon QR. AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR. And just we have proved that angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. Therefore, by side angle side, similarity criterion. These two triangles is similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS, similarity criterion. So we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So these two triangles are similar by SAS criterion. So in triangle we have given in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AD and PM are the medians, and we have given that AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. These are proportional. And to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what we have given? We have given AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AD upon PM. So AB upon PQ as it is, and if BC and QR multiplied by 1 by 2. So it becomes half BC upon half QR and AD upon PM as it is. So AB upon PQ, half of BC can be written as BD. Because median divides opposite sides in two equal parts. BD equals to CD. And half of QR is written as QL. So we get AB upon PQ equals to BD upon QF equals to AD upon PM. Means in triangle ABD and PQF, all these three sides are proportional. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. And if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles, angle ABD must be equal to angle PQR. And angle ABD is also written as angle ABC, and angle PQM is written as PQR. Now in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, we have given AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR, and just we have proved that angle ABC equals to angle PQR. So by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Question number 13. E is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC, and D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC, such that angle ADC equals to angle BAC. There is any point B on side BC of a triangle ABC. So given triangle ABC, in which D is any point on side BC. Given triangle ABC in which D is any point on side BC such that angle ADC equals to angle BAC. Such that angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equals to CB into CB. CA square equals to CB into CB, we have to prove. So in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, in triangle ABC and triangle DAC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle DAC. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC. We have taken two triangles in triangle ABC and triangle DAC. Angle ADC equals to angle BAC. Angle ADC equals to angle BAC. This is given. In triangle DAC, angle ADC and in triangle ABC, angle BAC are equal. And angle C is common for both the triangles. In triangle ADC or in triangle DAC and ABC, angle C is common for both the triangles. So angle C equals to angle C, common. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by AA similarity criteria. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Therefore, their sides must be proportional. So, the side of triangle ABC is BA. BA is the side of triangle ABC or AB. So side AB. And in triangle DAC, the side DA. In triangle ABC, side AB, and in triangle DAC, side DA. In triangle ABC, side BC, and in triangle DAC, side AC. In triangle ABC, side BC. In triangle DAC, side AC. So AB, the order AB upon DA equals to BC upon AC, BC upon AC, and the third order is AC upon DC, AC upon DC, AC upon DC must be proportional. Since these two triangles are similar, therefore their sides must be in proportion. Now, from these two, BC can be written as CB AC can also be written as CA. Again, AC is written as CA and DC is written as CB. So by cross multiplication, we get CA into CA. CA square equals to CB into CB. CA square equals to CB into CB. So this is the proof. So in triangle ABC, and triangle DAC, angle ADC is equals to angle BAC given and angle C is common. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by A criterion. And if triangles are similar, then their sides must be in proportion and from last two proportionals. CB upon BC is written as CB, AC is written as CA, again AC is written as CA and DC is written as CD. By cross multiplication, we get the result.